This is the SCM Record 132 at Murray Millworks. After it's been partially cleaned, you can see the whiter areas up there have already been wiped down. This dusty area here is still needing to be wiped down. You can see some damage on that rail right there, the third one from the left, where it's been mashed over right there. That needs to be replaced. These are vacuum rails, and the display that you see on the top there will display the position that you need to place the rail in, and then you can push the white button there and it'll show you the position for each of the vacuum cups like you see here. Those slide along that scale there. The yellow line that you see is the scale. It's a modular system where you can put curved pieces or straight pieces. This company here was doing door components for hardwood entryway doors. You can see a door right there that they were making. There's some door parts here, door parts there. You can see that they were making the stiles and the rails. Up here you have the head. It's a 5-axis router head. I'm going to open the door on the cabinet, and you can see that is the head right there. Tool changer is underneath it with the tools hanging in place. It's an automatic tool changer, and you can come over here and see where the rail is missing. The rail is actually laying down here in the pan right there. It's upside down, but it goes in this location, and it was ripped off of these bearing rails. You can see that that rail is really hard to move. The bearing is damaged inside it, but it did not damage the linear rail. The bearings need to be replaced on both sides. If you look at the bottom of this rail, you can see the damage right there. The bottom of the rail and the mounting bracket, and the other one is down there. The bottom of that rail is messed up so bad it would never be able to be made square, so that would need to be replaced as well. All the electronics and pneumatics that are on this rail will be taken off and put on a new rail, and then put back up here and squared with the machine and tested to make sure that everything is accurate as from the factory. You can see the tool changer again back here. It's a 24 position tool changer, all automatic, fully automatic within your program environment. You have a vacuum pump over here that provides vacuum. I believe this machine actually came with clamps too, but I haven't seen any clamps, so I can't verify that for certain. Clamps are available to be added to the machine if you would rather use clamps than pods. They're the pods that you see here, that style. There's also a variety of others that come with it. Now, also the safety devices on the machine. I don't know if you can see it with this, but there's a red rope right there. That's a safety rope in the back of the machine. Normally, this fence that you see here, normally it goes all the way along the back. I don't know where the fence is. What you see is what you get. You've got it going down both left and right sides. If you put the machine in a location against a wall like this, you can create a safe environment for your operators. You also have safety mats all along the front of it, and these will stop the machine movement if anybody stepped on it while you're in automatic. You have your control cabinet with software. It's a standard office PC with a Noom controller. You have a safety device on that door. When you open the door, it kills your power. You have a spindle cooler and a transformer that comes with the machine. It's a multi-tap transformer. This machine requires 3-phase 400 volt AC to run. So you can run your 230, 208, or 460 into the multi-tap transformer and get 400 out of it. Now, I've shown you this much without the compressor turned on. The compressor in here is very loud, but I'm going to turn it on and calibrate the machine so you can see it moving. I'm going to do it with that door open, and you can see all the axis moving and calibrating, including the tool changer. So I'm going to stop for now, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, we're back. Now we're going to start the calibration process. The Z-axis is moving down and calibrating. Now the B-axis, B as in boy. And the C-axis is the rotary. X-axis is moving now. I believe it's finished. Hang on right there. Okay, now we're going to watch it do a tool change and go pick up a tool. Okay, now we're going to watch it do another tool change. It's got one in the spindle now. It's going to put it away, index the tool changer, and get another tool. During the normal operation, it will not have that pause that was due to me trying to do two things at once with a video camera and the controls. So anyway, that shows you that that portion of it works. Now that I've got a large diameter tool in there, I'm going to go ahead and start the spindle up so that you can see that it works as well. Okay, here we go with the spindle test. This is a large diameter tool, about 4 inches in diameter, maybe 5, running at 8,000 RPM. See, that's very quiet. Okay, so there you have it. You can see that your spindle works, your tool changer works, all the axes move freely, everything works, with the exception of this rail that's been knocked off. You also have a 16 spindle drill unit, which is right there. That's an auxiliary head. You can put vertical drills with 32 millimeter hole spacings in there and do production cabinet work. The 5-axis spindle here is 18,000 RPM liquid cooled spindle. It's a cartridge type spindle. You have a dust collector up top. You can see right there. Pretty beefy machine, very good machine. It's still in good condition, just needs a little bit of work and you'll be back in factory spec with it. And SCM offers training, programming training, and operator training, and we're here to assist you in any way we can. So I hope you enjoyed the video.